Hi guys, if your Xfinity remote stopped controlling your cable box or you bought a new remote, you will need to pair it correctly first. So in this guide, you are going to learn the updated setup steps for XR11 and XR15 and the newer Xfinity voice remotes. So first, you need to check the remote model. On the Xfinity voice remote, pairing steps depends on the model. So there are various types of models like XR11, then we have XR15 or XR16. So using the wrong pairing method is the biggest reason why setup fails. So in order to basically pair it, you need to first of all turn on both your TV as well as your Xfinity cable box. Then you need to switch the TV to the HDMI input connected to the box. Just wait until the cable box fully loads the home screen before pairing. Now for the newer remotes, you just have to simply press and hold the Xfinity plus the info button, which looks something like this. So you need to basically press and hold these two buttons together for at least 5 seconds, and when the LED changes from the red to green, you need to enter the 3-digit pairing code shown on your TV screen. Now some of the newer XR15 remotes may use the Xfinity plus the mute instead of the info button, so you can also check that out. Now for the XR11 remotes, you can also press and hold the setup button until the light turns green, and then you can press the Xfinity button and follow the on-screen pairing instructions. Then simply enter the code to finish linking the remote to the cable box. So that's how you can do it. Thanks you.